Good morning. Thanks for joining us. This morning we're going to do a walk around of the new Cam Spray VM3012H drain and sewer jetter. And what makes this new and improved is right here, the new IGX 800 Honda engine. This engine's a fuel injected engine, and of course also with that interface with our optional wireless remote, we'll be able to shut off the water, turn on the water, throttle up, throttle down, and kill the engine. Some of that technology is yet to come. Mapping has to be finished, but it'll be pretty cool when it's done. Here you'll see they've got a nice start panel on it. There's your throttle up, throttle down, key switch, hour meter. Up here we've got our battery box, and then we've got our fuel tank with all the evap equipment on it. We've got a DC powered reel. The DC powered reel is equipped with 400-foot 1/2-inch hose. This unit's designed to free spool out, power back in. Can either be operated with this push button switch here, or we've got, as you'll see in a minute, a foot switch with 50-foot of cord that can be plugged in right here at the reel as well. Then we've got a pressure gauge. There's your water valve for starting your water flow and stopping it. This reel is equipped with a 2-to-1 clutch system to help slow that speed down retracting. Perfect speed for cleaning the pipe. Then we've got a quick coupler on the inlet here that quick coupler can be detached and hooked into that 50-foot washdown hose that we include with a trigger gun and a nozzle. Looking at the plumbing here, up here on the top of the tank, we've got, that's where your bypass goes back to. When you actually shut water flow on it, off, it bypasses back to the tank. Your water feed from the tank, shut off valve for your water. And then we can also throw the water, the valve the opposite direction it is right there, and drain from the front. And we also include a 12-foot hose that I'll show you in a minute that attaches to this cam lock fitting that lets you drain the water away from the site and away from your equipment. We've got a large inlet filter, unloader valve there. That's what helps you bypass the water back to the tank and diverts the flow, bypasses back to the tank, and saves your pump from a pressure spike as well. And then we've got the bottom center valve port. You'll see there's a pulse valve there that will disable one cylinder and pulse the water for those tough spots you get into, or 90-degree elbows. And then we've got a secondary pop-off, that brass item hanging from that fitting. That's just a secondary protection for pressure spike protection. And then right there we've got a Schrader valve that you can unscrew that cap and put compressed air on the system to keep it from freezing in the winter. Some guys also add an optional antifreeze tank. You can see this is a gearbox drive pump. It's got stainless valves, ceramic plungers, pumps that we've tested in applications, pressure wash applications, that some of them are running in upwards of 40 and 50 hours a week. So a real durable pump for us. We've got 130 gallon of water capacity on this one. We've also got a float switch, that wire that's up on top of the tank. Tank runs out of water, it'll kill the engine. And then as we come around here, we've got a toolbox. Inside the box I won't show you, but there's a face shield and a set of rubber gloves. And then we also include a backflow preventer in that bag there. Put on the hydrant when you're filling the tank. And then we've got a nozzle cleaner, and this unit, as standard equipment, shipped with a bullet nozzle and a milling nozzle. There's that 12-foot hose we were talking about that you can drain water, hooking it to the cam lock fitting up front. And then we've got a tiger tail that we ship with it, standard equipment. And then the gun, hose, and wand you'll see sitting there. Gun hose and hose is 50 foot by 3/8. Quick couples into the fitting in the back, up by the reel. And then a trigger gun. Get all your pressure washing done as well. So if you're interested in this machine, you can look us up on the web at www.camspray.com, or you can call us at 800-648-5011. We'd love to talk to you about your jetting applications. Thanks for watching today.